Hello students. In this video I'm going to recap how to use the RDP virtual network, which is VMware. Going through that process to set it up and to use it on your computer and some of the benefits, and then showing you how to access Microsoft Outlook. So we go into Blackboard, into our course, Business 1210, and in the left menu we have RDP virtual network. Click on that. It'll give you two options. We can install it. We can download VMware Horizon Client, which is great to use. It'll eventually put an icon on your desktop, which then you can use anytime. Or we can go into the VMware Horizon HTML access. So I'm going to kind of show you both. Click on that second one. It's going to then you use your college email to sign in, your password, which would be the same as the loop, and you might have to do this verification if you are, or hopefully you don't have to do that. So this is just the verification code that they have sent me to verify who I am, and then we get going. So this may take a second or two. Oops. It's going to ask you what kind of network you want to sign into. It'll be a student one for you. Let's go with the always. Click OK. Now we can see that we are actually, through one of the tabs, we are actually in RDC's computer network. So we have over here, I have it down here, we have Microsoft Outlook. We can type it in here as well. Outlook, if you type it in correctly. And there is what we need. Just type in Outlook, you'll get this app. I have it opened here, and it should be similar. It should look similar to this. I've adjusted my Outlook a little differently. I've added this calendar on the side, but it should look something similar to this with the similar menus and tools up above. So now you want to go back to your regular computer. We're going to use, click on that X, which will appear as you scroll to the top. X, you'll notice that there is your tab where you were before. This is your own computer now. We can minimize that. That looks like your own computer. And unfortunately, there's this bar up there I can't get rid of. And now we're back in the college's computer. We have access to the drives and storage that we would have if we were at the college's computer. Each student has a home drive. It's H, be home _ your loop username, and that basically where you would store things on the computer at the college. So now if you're working from home, you can access the college's files and programs. We have Excel, PowerPoint, everything you need here, Word, to do all your schoolwork. So in your H drive, you're going to have all of your course material that you have saved, all of your files. So I'm going to close this if I can. Oh, that's frustrating. Let's just move this. What happened? Oh, I'm drawing a circle. I don't want to draw anything. So don't type on that. There we go. Oh, this is fun. Exit drawing. That's what we want to do. So when we are done, we can just click this off, and now we are basically back to our own computer. There it is. So let's go back into our Blackboard course. Click on RDP Virtual Network. If you're, we're going to be using this this VMware extensively throughout this course, and I would guess that you're going to be using it a lot in your other courses as well. So because of that, I would actually download VMware Horizon Client onto your own computer, and then all you have to do once it's downloaded is you go to your desktop and you're going to find this green icon right there, VMware Horizon Client. That's downloaded. I'm accessing it through, that's the server or the network you're going to need, mydesktop.rdc.ab.ca. Click on that. I'll have to sign in again. And I need to verify who I am. I'm not sure if they do this for students or just for faculty and staff, but it goes to my phone. So I downloaded it, I installed it, now I open it up, and basically this now becomes the college's computer. So if I want to go back to my own computer, I just scroll up to the top, minimize it, and here I am back at my college's computer. If I want to go back, or here I am at my personal computer, if I want to go back to college's network, here I am at the bottom, and click on that, and there I go. Same thing, you're going to have Outlook. Once again, spell it correctly. That's what we're working on today. You could type in Excel as well. Then have Excel. Those are the two pieces of software that we need for this course. You're going to have a computer icon, takes you to your storage device, your home underscore your username, and that's basically, as I said before, that's where you're going to store your files. So that's a video on how to download, install, and use VMware, the RDP Virtual Network, something that is really important as we go in this course. So let's go back to course content. Here it is, RDP Virtual Network. I do have a video similar to what I've just done, but there have been a few changes. So let's go and start working on some of the Microsoft Excel components, or Microsoft Outlook components, I should say.